national radio station that cuts across the whole regions and across eastern borders of the boundaries of this region and the economy. And at the same time, we as well house our Uganda station, which broadcasts in Greater Kampala and Greater Masaka. So it is not, we came on board as two brands, that is Capital FM and Beat FM, to make noise. We believe we've made noise for almost a month, and this week we are really making more and more of the noise to ensure that it reaches all the audience and all our listenership niche. So in this case, as Capital Radio, we pledge to keep supporting Vic Fameka. He has been there, we've been with him from the word go until now. He has supported the brands because we rarely come through to really support things that are not worthy or value to the brands. So in this case, wherever you see Capital Radio and Beat FM, just know you're worth and you're valuable. So in this case, we pledge to keep supporting the brand as Fresh Gang and Vic as a person, and as well to grow more and more of Ugandan music. So in this case also, I'd like to say, appreciate all the partners that put up all their finances, all their packages to ensure that at least we make this a blow. I want to thank Jessa on behalf of Capital. They are our biggest supporting partners of Capital. I want to thank MTN. I think they're into the category of those that give us some good money so that we bring out all the news. And I would like to thank Kabwirao on Beat FM. They are also our partners. So in this case also, I would like to put out my voice to all the media houses, being that we are a media partner, which is official to the Vic Fameka concert. I would like to thank all the media houses, the bloggers, TVs, broadcasts, radios, and everyone that has really put a hand to ensure that Friday comes out as we really expect. So as I finalize, I'd like to say, Vic Fameka will move with you as you've moved with us in the national tours, and we're still moving. So for your concerts as Capital and Beat, we shall move with you from the concert on Friday until the last drop of your extras. For now, I'd like to say thank you so much. Keep supporting us. Keep listening to Capital and Beat. These are your radios. In case you have anything, please come through. Reach out to me. We'll definitely do business. Thank you so much. All the best, and we look forward to seeing everyone coming through to Hotel Africana this Friday.
Thank you very much.
Well, thank you, Marco, for the opportunity.
Among the Uganda, Radio Uganda Galaxy.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. First and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the sponsors who have come on board to support Vic Fameka in whichever way that you have managed to. That actually means that you believe in the brand Vic Fameka. So for all the sponsors, MTN, Beat, you can see Jessa, TV, and Capital Sports Bet, the one I speak for. You guys have done amazingly well. If I'm not mistaken, this will be the second mega concert of Vic Fameka. The first one was held in 2018, of which Capital was part and parcel of that concert. And this time around, we have also come. Vic Fameka not only represents the true values and characteristics of Capital, of the Capital audience. He's also a humble artist, very hardworking artist. That's why we have come on board as Capital to support him this time now. As Capital, we do believe that.
Okay, thank you very much, Kabwirao. Mwatu wenye waini. Na mbele fanana kubwecho. Twagala okwebaza aba sponsors bafabalala okuli Coca-Cola, baba makers of Rezori, Coca-Cola ekyo kunywa ekirungi. Wamu ne Fenon Records. Mukama waffe mu nsonda tuwubyeko Fenon. Abo bamu ku bagenda okubanga batwa sound ne stage ennungi on that very day. Byenkote wano sikute ssente oba kirala kyonna. Wazira bakakasa nti kupapula bino bivudde ku police wamu ne KCCA obakakasa nti ekivulu gyekiri. Kiri fully kikiriziddwa mu bujjuvu bwakyo okulaga nti kino kigenda beerawo. Era biri stamped very well. Baluwa eva mu KCCA okubakakasiza ddala nti ekivulu kino kigenda beerawo. Ne eva mu Kampala Metropolitan Police, yeah? Sun Assurance kigenda beerawo. manager Unique Star Agencies tweyanza byonna olw'okuba nti buli kimu kiri in place. Kale mukadde kano muzikirize tufune ekigambo, basically a confirmation from the artist himself, because buli kimu akikoze okubyenda ku rehearsals, eddoboozi ali undoubted, botundi ya performances ayongeddemu bwongezi, because for all the time we've been seeing Fifa Maker do it better and better. So this time round atuletedde ekipya. Kale ekigambo okuva wa Fifa Maker, just to confirm nti ekivulidde kiri ku Friday.
Hello everyone.
Yes, please.
Nje bareko amanya n'eddoboozi Fifa Maker. Ebisinga tubyogedde ndowooza eno tugenda kubeera ne press conference eringa yakusatu, but basically eno press conference yaffe eri final with all my sponsors. Eno okusingira ddala yakwebaza basponsor bange. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you guys. My family, Jessa, Coca-Cola, MTN. Kino ekivulu kinene ekyandisobose kubeerawo nga temuliiwo, sandisobodde kikola nzekka. N'okwebaza omutegesi wange Unique Star kyakabi nnyo. Mpozi okuterabira ensonga ya security kuba nsonga nkulu nnyo. Security egenda kubeera tight, tewagenda kubeerawo fujjo wano, tugenda kunyumirwa nga tewali atutaataaganya. Nga wako bwayogedde tulina ebbaluwa okuva mu police, ne KCCA ku Lwokutaano luno eno tugenda kunyumirwa show. Me as an artist, I'm ready. I've done everything that I'm supposed to do. Neetegese mu nteekateeka yonna okulaba nti ku lunaku olwo kibeera massive. So mujje mu bungi ennaku z'omwezi nga 26 Friday eno. Abawagizi bange mwenna, abawagizi ba music wa Uganda, mujje tunyumirwe. Njagala kuddamu okwebaza abasponsa bange, that is MTN, Jessa, Coca-Cola, Kagwirawo Sports Betting, my media sponsors, Capital FM, NTV, Spark, ne media bagayi nakabatambuza ndoza guno mulundi gwa kusatu tukola press conference mubeerawo kimukola kyakabi nnyo mwana. Thank you so much for pushing with me. Thanks to my management, Fresh Gun, Big Sam, Unique, njagala kuddamu kwebaza. This is a very big team of people that I'm working with to make sure this event happens. Kyakabi nnyo mwebaza. Love you.
Ogenda kwogera erinnya then oyogere obuuze ekibuuzo kyo bw'oba okirina. You can still appreciate.
No, osobola okunyiga *170 *50# kozesa hashtag #ColaTunes odownloading music wange zinirako oba oyimbireko owangule tickets 5 n'emitwalo 5 okujja mu concert egenda okubeera ku Friday. I think that is a great opportunity for MTN. Yeah, all you have to do is hold your Jessa yogurt or a cup like this and sing to any song of mine to win to stand a chance to win a ticket. Also, you can dial *170 *50# hashtag MTN #ColaTunes. Download any song of mine, dance to it, sing to it, vibe to it, and stand a chance to win 500,000 and five tickets from MTN. Thank you.